Yo, giving a shout out to Quebec, bro. I'm on the 20. This is one of their welcome centers. What does that say? Villeroy. Yeah. And bro, talk about 24-hour service. Best, cleanest bathrooms ever. Along the freaking 20s at these rest stops. Kind of like en routes for us in Toronto, Ontario. But I'm telling you, man. These people take pride in cleanliness. Like, people's job is like they clean that bad boy every hour, every half an hour after every use, whatever it might be.